This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, I'm going to do an afternoon stream and see if we see anything. I'm going to try and trade also on my wealth charts account. I'm already discouraged about them because I set them up yesterday, and when I disconnected, I don't know, I guess I was supposed to do some kind of saving because it just started me off with the standard image again, which I don't get. I mean, that's pretty ridiculous, but I guess it's my fault. Oh, camera's not loaded. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. Well set up. Let's do a power hour. What do we got for volatile? Whoa, 4.82 points. Average range. That's absolutely garbage. I guess I could try and get in on... Actually, there's a trade right there. Yes, missed it. Tired, and I gotta go shopping after, boy. How discouraging is that? Yeah, I want to try out the Wealth Charts trade copier, but I'm guessing it's going to take me a half an hour just to figure out how to set up these charts again. So far, I am not impressed with wealth charts. And what do I mean by that? They don't look as good as I figured maybe it was something like Top Step X. Add indicators. Where's the remove indicators? Right now there's some kind of band on my screen, which isn't a band one actually, to be honest with you. Champion trend. Oh my God, there's a whole bunch of things. There's champion trend, range breaker, breakout forecaster, champion cross, wealth signal. Okay, we'll keep them all on. Wow, it's not even obvious how to have a trading dashboard up. It's not obvious where your positions are. I mean, things like that should be just no-brainers, in my opinion. Okay, so what do we got? We got a long trade. Oh, I could have had one there. Well, yesterday there was a oof, pretty ugly on the 1 minute chart. Well, I would have had a long trade, but this fantastic bullish breakout, this fantastic piece of software, I can't even find buy or sell buttons. Well, so you create a software, you have a guy open it up, and he can't figure out how to take. Oh yeah, you don't have it up on your screen, but I'm working on the wealth charts system. You can't even figure out where to. I mean, I'm clicking the symbol, I'm clicking the top corner. No, nothing. They hid the buy and sell buttons. So not only did I have it all set up yesterday and it just disappeared, all tools. Well, if I get in for the last 10 minutes, that'll be good. But I don't sort of see anything yet. Market tools, add chart, add indicators, alert history, dividends, earnings, economic calendar, hot link, heat map guidance. What about trading? Wouldn't that be, nope, nothing. There's no trading button. There's nothing to add that would, okay, let's go to the support center. See where they hit it. Trading bar. The trading bar is an at the glance easiest way. Underneath the liquidation indicator. There's no liquidation indicator. Wow.
Mike, I'm going up. No point for me to stay.
Yeah, okay, take care. Well, I'm just here and getting frustrated. Okay, so I need the order panel. That would make sense. Where the fuck is your order panel? No one's offering any help. Chart, heat map, paper trading stats. Whoa, trading DOM, trade copier. Market tools, maybe that. Add chart, add indicators, order panel. P, IPO, no order panel there. Essential features. No order panel. That's not essential, I guess, for a trading platform. Add-ons, marketplace. No. Layouts. Recent. There's 1,000. I didn't create any of these. Custom, none, all, none. Apex order execution. Dark mode. Okay, I'll choose that. I don't give a fuck. Hmm. Okay, so I'm trying to change the symbol. You figure you would click on the symbol, right? And the symbol would change? Nope. 16 minutes. Zone. It says my zone has changed. I don't know what that is. No, clicking on the symbol is... Okay, got the symbol changed. Still trying to get a trading window opened. How about save? You think that would be obvious somewhere, like a button? No. Save layout. Mike's Apex layout. Okay, set as default. There we go. Wonderful. Reopen the home page. I don't want the home page. 20 minutes so far. No order buttons yet. Who knows? Maybe it saved me on some losses. Well, there's something. Ah, I found it. Why they don't open it by default, I have no idea. But anyways, save layout. There we go. Okay. We're in business. What do we got? Toggle trading bar? What does that mean? Oh, look at that. Trade confirmation off. Include commissions. Liquidation indicator. I don't know what the fuck that is. There's a sell zone. My zone has changed. Oh, we're in the sell zone now. Let me try one. I sold one market. Let me see my open positions. Why it didn't copy? Isn't my trade copier supposed to be working? 282. Okay, didn't copy the trade, even though my trade copier is enabled. Let me guess. Why do I have a feeling when I cancel, when I flatten the position, I'm short, I'm going to join the bid. Watch it copy that trade. That would be so apex of me, of it. There, order was executed. Yep. It bought. I swear to God, I'm not joking. I bet I have an open position now on 282. Yep. Oh my God. That's just insanely... Well, let's try it again. That's just head shaking crazy. What time is it anyways? 33. We still have a little bit of time. There, it finally copied. And it copied the same price. Yep. Wow, what a clunky copier. Okay, of course. Let's see. Sell market. Okay, so the charts don't auto scale. So the price goes under your thing there. That's good. I'm sure there's auto scale somewhere, but didn't think of putting that as a default feature. Nah, why would you do that? That's pretty stupid. Don't make it a default feature. Who wants to auto scale? We want the charts to just go off the screen. What are we? We're in the bands over here. I don't even know what you guys are seeing. Oh, you don't have the white chart up. Okay, so far so good though. So far it's working. The cost basis is identical. Now I just got to find somewhere where the bid and the ask is displayed. It was displayed yesterday. I remember seeing that. I don't see it now. Ah, there it is. So if you have it on top of your screen, you have the bid and ask. If you put it beside your screen, it's it means you don't need it. Now it's not even going beside my screen. Wow, the P&L is completely out to lunch. Well, I'm in a short, just to let you guys know. My average price is 96 and a quarter. Join the bid. That's so funny. I just had a deja vu yesterday when I was playing with them. I don't remember the number, but it was 4 and a quarter. And again, we're just messing around with 4 and a quarter as the low. No, 6 and a quarter is not a good price, but not a bad price. I would have liked more around the 8. Wow, we haven't even formed one bar yet on the Renkos. You guys don't see the Renkos. Let me open up the Renkos while we're just waiting. I'll minimize this. And we'll go to screen 2. There you go. Now you can see the Renkos. I'm watching the white. I want that second bearish bar to form. Wow, everything is in delay and nothing is instant. You click a button, the button kind of thinks about it, the button turns gray. Oof, that was my opportunity. I got out of some. And around, I don't even know where. Keep trying. We got 3 bars there. 3 bars would be good. I'd be happy with that. Let me get my cursor. 89, somewhere around 89. 91, 90. Okay, I'm out. Let me see my 2 accounts. These are all fine and dandy, but how do there's a gear icon. But you can't move it, so you got to remember, you got to use your memory. Liquidity, daily loss limit, I don't need. Apply. Connection, I don't need. Status, I don't need. Apply. Okay, there we go. So another great feature is, hey, I'm working on my wealth charts. I got 2 Apex accounts. You know what I got to do? I got to open up a full screen tab on OBS so I can move things to the other side there and have it as full screen. So are you still there? 3:43. What time did you say hello? I didn't notice it. I was looking over here. You want to hear so far my my experience with this? I got him. I got the alerts working on the Renko. Okay, you'll have to show me. I don't see how it's possible. Seriously, if you understood what I was saying the way I saw it, but maybe I'm gonna have faith. What was I saying? It made me, well, soon it's going to be 350, so I can't trade now. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, the trade copier. I got the wealth charts with Apex, hoping that their trade copier would be better. So you want to hear my first experience with them? The first trade. It didn't, my sound was muted for half my stream. Oh, really? That sucks. Yeah, I will have your stream up on the phone, but I got to turn the volume off because the 8-second delay going back and forth, I can't listen. It'll drive me nuts. You can't even communicate I can't even talk. Let me see if I can get in here and join the ask. Nah, I'm going to wait. Yeah, so my first trade with the trade copier with wealth charts, it did not copy the entry to the copying account. I just got 2 accounts. I said, oh, that's good. Maybe there's a setting that I didn't do, whatever. So I just left it. Then I exit the trade, and it put me in the trade on the opposite direction on the follower account. So it didn't copy the entry, but it copied the exit. It's not smart enough to say, no, the other account doesn't have a position. We're not gonna trade it. Yeah, wealth charts. So far, the chart screen doesn't auto scroll. The buy and sell buttons are hidden. Renko doesn't work at all. So far, I would give this yes, I'd give this a 20%. Seriously. The Renko bars, I changed the box size. 1, 10, I don't know if it's using, doesn't say if it's using ticks. It just says it's using price. But it doesn't say if it's ticks or what. I changed it to 1, to 10, to 7, to 28, to even 300. It's always 1 point bars. Okay, in a few seconds, we will get the imbalance report. Let's see what we get. See if we get a bounce. 2, 1, boom! Wow, that was nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, not even close. Not even close. You figured they would have gotten a good product together. There's nowhere to change your font size. So if you want, like a tab with your positions and stuff, and, you got your account name, P&L, realized, unrealized, total P&L, your balance, the liquidation value. So you got to scroll. You don't want it to occupy, as a vertical. As a vertical, you don't want it to occupy too much, so you make it smaller, and you want the numbers and all the writing smaller. Nope, not an option. You got to use your scroll bar. Okay, I'm going to try and join the bid. Want to get a little bit of experience here. Display. Orders, open positions. Where was I? I was in accounts before. Yeah, open positions. Join ask. Well, it was a quick $30. Wait, join ask. Order failed to place. Ah, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. Order failed to place. I guess that's their hanging order. Yeah, so they said, well, you know what? So it's not. They said that you get those orange hanging orders in Ninja Trader. So here it's not an orange hanging order. Here it's order failed to place. We failed to place your order. It was such a complicated sell market. We couldn't place it. Order failed to place. Wow, everything requires thinking. I've never seen this. I mean, you click buttons on Top Step X, everything is instant. Here it's like I'm in some kind of time warp or something. I click a button, you click, and it's like, there. You click it, got it. 2-second delay on everything you click. It's like you click a button, you want to check your orders? Hold on, we got it coming. Orders! Got it, here it is. There's your 2-second delay. I was going to go short, but you know what? We're above the bands. We're above the bands. I'll just let it... Yeah, I came in to do a 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock power hour. See if anybody would... if I'd pull people out of the weeds. Nobody. I mean, you're not nobody. You know what I mean. Didn't get anybody new. What do you mean nobody? I'm not a nobody. I even got his Renko thing to work. Well, I'm not going to take a trade now because at 355 is the next. Anyways, I'm trading 3 lots. I'm up. Both accounts, one is up 83.06 and the other one 83.48. So, you know, even with all the disasters so far, it's kind of working. I just got to find out where to cancel open orders. I'm going to have to figure that out because it's probably going to have some open orders somewhere. That's another trick they like to slip in. Boom, 5 o'clock. There you are. Click links. Form 2 bars. Yeah, I should have taken join the ask. I got a nice blue there. Let's make it a 2 lot. Ooh, that's clunky too. Everything is clunky. Like everything is designed not to be easy, but to kind of fuck you up. Like you want to go change your order size. Instead of changing the order size, you click the button and it drops down a menu with a whole bunch of numbers. Okay, so I put in an order. What price did I get filled at? Open positions, 07. That's about accurate with what was going on in Ninja. 07. Let's get a full bar to close. Maybe we can get 2 bars. There's 02. 02 and a quarter, 03. Yeah, join the bid. Order was executed. Okay, 5 points. That's another $10. I'll join the ask again if we turn blue on that bar. Oh. No, these are, this is wealth charts with Apex. When I'm trading, 0250. What am I going to get filled at? 0275. Okay. Is there a flatten all button? Flatten just in case it turns blue. Let's see if we can go back down, form another bearish candle. I think this will be my last trade. Yeah, no, wealth charts. It's Bulenox Project X. I screwed up with my Bulenox. I wanted to convert it all to Project X. It's okay. So close. Okay, there we go. Flatten all. Now it flattened. There's the delay that you see. Yeah, you can't trade off this platform. You got to watch something else. Everything is like delayed and pushed back. Everything is horrific. I'm long at 6. That's 9. Come on, push higher. Go to 10, 11, 12. Form another bullish candle. I got 2 minutes left. Push up. Push. Form another bullish candle. Do a pop. Pop goes the weasel. 10, 1050. Still didn't form. I need like 11 or 12, right? A minute and something left. I don't want to be in. There we go, 11. Plum, 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 out. Okay, that's it for me. Accounts, what's my... Oh, wow, 100. So, not bad, not bad. 112.74. And the other one, 113.16. So it's kind of doing good copying. I'll live with the clunkiness if it copies accurately like that. Except for the first trade, which was probably that $1. So it might be copy result trading and not copy trading. And if it's copy result trading, I'll change. Even with all this clunkiness and this 2-second delay and everything, I'll slowly, well, I don't know. Yeah, I'll slowly move over. I'll push my other accounts, but anything new will be well charts if it continues. We'll see how these two go. Okay, Omnius, I'll see you Sunday night or Monday morning. I'm closing up. I gotta go shopping. Lucky me, right? But that was, I mean, not a great thing. What's this stupid bar if I can get rid of it? Wow, okay, I got rid of it. I don't expand mini charts. The fuck are mini charts? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, Lord, 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 Lord. Okay, let me save it. At least I know how to save it. Last time I opened up my my platform, I opened it up again. I worked on it yesterday. I opened it up this morning. None of my changes were saved. I had to redo everything. Okay, we click the save button. Very interesting. Let me close. Hopefully, open positions. Nothing. Orders. Cancel all orders. No, not reverse. Flatten, cancel. Looks good. Day one experiment. So far, maybe I'll change it when I learn how to use it better. I know I'm not using it properly, but so far, 20, 30%, that's the score for the platform, but for the copier, if it continues like this, I'll give it a 90%. I don't care how clunky and how delayed it is, and if there's a 2-second delay for it to think, I don't care. As long as it copies properly and gives me the right prices, I'm good. Changes may not be saved. Cancel. Save. Your layout has been successfully saved. Close. Oh, perfect. There we go. I don't need this open. Okay. Did you say anything? Are you still there? Nightbot, Omnius, later. Okay. Take care.